Ner mala kenyam biya kamal to kon galer mi jidit me bu kon lingwase me ka kwi kwar me shi kona by president re wicha ka South Sudan kwa dang rote konte sha wo kir ma yadit ngai kon ro sha by president dang ro cha woch waniga kan Abdelbagi cha woch ka by president kan dang ro ka cha gwat ken cha mu ne ko ken bolmel kena Josephine kan ide kon sha lat gwene ken an ler ku kon lingwase me breaking news ka kwi kwar cha kon kwanya la vice president rai wika South Sudan ma cha gwada cha kamrada din wuden chal ke Abdelbagi ke jen gwase me chala do jen cha kap chon ka party de ke party manana teten Abdelbagi cha woch ke cha dismiss ka party me chal ke SSPM South Sudan Patriotic Movement wachi ken osen Abdelbagi chicken dismiss kani she ngot tinyu do che bon che ngot che katul che jenyot kuje mo chaje kapchong ke chaje wuch raj me shalat ramdan la chair person ka South Sudan Patriotic Movement SSPM wudu shalke Dr. Costello Garengring shala do nena Abdelbagi wa chaje kon woni wal karon chin dangro jendangro ngwan lo chaje suspend ko la pay welkel ajane tama chaje nyoko mu ke je ko jen changot che bridge ke cha tam shi gwa che jelat gwada me awa do badana jo ke je be ka kor ke medan e chaje me chaje wo ka vice president akir mayadit wa gwada ma chu party de chu kana chu nyoko makap kana pin re kwar mo dana teten ke go bondan teten cha chu dismiss ka ngai ke je gwano jen chaje kwan ka kor me chaje wo ka vice president chaje kwanya kir mayadit la Ramadan la Minister of Agriculture and Food Security re wika South Sudan karoje dana chala da SSPM leadership chikela da wannan shike investigation chikana lat ke do badana nyu da gwano Abdelbagi che dirche lat ki unlawful wasting the chairman wajen che mishal mi kan nok ki mi kan mat che lalet wajen ajena dana gorka jeno baje kap chonga ja chikan lat gwas menene she party mila party swa wache je yar wajen che party unity ke madana take leadership dien kan bono mo wache je yar kuje mo cha yu kap chonga ja na me agenda en chikan lat kanetin content che lat no Abdelbagi cha je kapin baje kwen ya gwas me ka to English. The South Sudan Patriotic Movement SSPM has dismissed its acting deputy chairperson Hossein Abdelbagi Akol, citing gross misconduct and violation party rules. In a statement issued on Thursday, February 20, 2025, SSPM South Sudan Patriotic Movement chairperson Dr. Costello Ring said Abdelbagi was previously suspended in November 2024 for insubordination and breaching the party constitution. The dismissal comes just day after Hossein was removed from his position as a vice president of South Sudan for the service cluster and appointed as a minister of agriculture and food security. According to SSPM leadership, investigation confirmed that Hossein attempted to unlawfully oust the chairman, formed an unauthorized faction, and held an unsanctioned meeting at his residence in an attempt to claim party leadership. SSPM said this action undermined the party unity leadership and its role within the South Sudan Opposition Alliance, SSOA or SWA, and the revitalized peace agreement. I, Dr. Costello Ringlual, do hereby issue the removal of Mr. Hossein Abdelbagi Akol from his position as acting deputy chairperson of SSPM, is immediate and permanent dismissal from the ranks and file list of the South Sudan Patriotic Movement, SSPM, effectively February 2025. Reads the order. It also states that the minister no longer holds any authority or membership within SSPM, and that any action taken by him in the party names are null and void. Well, the Minister of Agriculture and Food Security, Hussein Abdelbagi, and his spokesperson for comment, they were called to comment on this matter, but their phone went unanswered. Jendana Chitwok, Chaja Kapchong Kabon SSPM, Kadwa Badan and Charlotte Kaja, Biatakama.